hate that my phone is currently balancing on a copy of The Secret, which I bought ironically from a secondhand bookstore, but then read its entirety yesterday, and my journal where I decided to write everything I am grateful for. I'm not doing great.
Hi guys, it's Esme. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just going to do a quick and easy identity crisis tutorial. It's actually one of the most requested videos on my channel. People keep just messaging me being like, hey Esme, how do you deal with the doubts that comes with being human? How do you deal with the unknown? How do you deal with the fact that you will eventually die? And the fact that everything is just one day not going to exist, and that everything is kind of pointless, and that we are just wasting our time waiting for kind of nothing, and that we might... Anyway, yeah, so I was like, oh, I will for sure do this video. If you're just like a beginner, honestly, I would skip the next step I'm going to show you, because first, it's definitely the bangs. Cut them. If you don't have bangs, get bangs. That is the first step to a true identity crisis. Unfortunately, I went through an identity crisis not too long ago and cut my bangs. I will not do it today, but just telling you, if you're just going through like a first time identity crisis, definitely cut those bangs. It will not help, but it will be something to do with your time. Well, for those of you who are very experienced and have already done the bang thing, I get you. The next step is to bleach your hair, which everyone is going to tell you, don't do it yourself. You're an independent woman. You can do this. I chose this box because I really admire this woman. I would call her Natasha. She just seems to have everything figured out. I bet she has a husband and a career that's going really well, but at the same time she's kind of like a low-key alcoholic, but she's managing it really well, and that's what I admire about Natasha. So I want to be Natasha. So just kind of bottle up all of your emotions and live in a bit of denial. Just think, I'm okay. Things are okay. Everything will work out. Even though the likelihood of you getting divorced is very high, and that's not even like a tragedy. So you're just kind of putting on the bleach, cream, whatever thing, just like trying to find a new way to identify yourself and show to the world, because you start to really hate your own personality and you think, I can have a fresh start, I can be a new person. I can just be whatever. Oh my god, it's starting to burn. Okay. This is not smart. It's on my ear. So yeah, just put that on. Try on different personalities. Be like, I'm really easygoing. I'm fun. I'm like that kind of girl. Everyone just wants to be around me. I'm just gonna be the blonde girl. Okay, so as the smell of the bleach becomes more and more potent in the room that you're in, you're gonna start thinking about how toxic it is, that it could potentially kill you. You start thinking about how you put yourself in dangerous situations and sabotage yourself, and you're like, why can't you just love yourself? Is it really that complicated? Do you love yourself? Is love just something that's not that positive? I don't care about my flesh right now. I'm always too much, and nothing is enough for me, and I will never be satisfied. So this is the part where you start thinking, where do I go? Start thinking of how you can escape your current situation. Get out of this city, out of this country. What other places exist? Start contemplating the idea that maybe you do want to go to space. You don't know why, but somehow that's the only way you're going to feel finally freed from this pressure. Start to wonder, did all my problems go away? I just found the love of my life. Perhaps all I am missing is my soulmate.
and that suddenly one person came, none of these thoughts would exist. And rationally, you know that's not true. But for a second, you wonder. So now you wait for 45 minutes and you realize that you're always kind of waiting for something to change, waiting to start living. But you are living. Maybe just living is a perpetual state of waiting. And oh my God, I'm so tired of waiting.
You break me down, my heart it pounds, yeah, you got me, with my hands up, you got me.
So then you end up with bleached hair and you feel the exact same way as you felt at the beginning. And you realize you'll always feel this way. And you just have to accept that this is who you are, but you never will. But oh well. The end.